Hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again. So for today's look, I'm gonna do a 0 to 100 real quick. So if you guys don't know what that means, as you guys can tell, I look horrible right now. I'm super sick. I don't know what the hell's going on with me, but since yesterday I've been sick, and today I woke up with my eyes swollen, and I think they've gone down like a little bit more, but in person you guys can tell. Right here you can't really tell, but my ojeras are like super bad right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a full glam today, even if I don't feel good. But I was like, it's about that time for me to upload, and I just felt like, you know, getting ready just so I can feel a little bit better. And also real quick, I'm almost at 200 subscribers. I think I need about 8 more people to subscribe, so if you guys haven't subscribed, I would appreciate it. Whenever I do get to 200 subscribers, I am gonna be doing my 3rd giveaway. I believe it's my 3rd giveaway. But I think I'm just gonna go ahead and pick one person this time, because it is gonna be something bigger and something really cool. I'm so excited. I'm gonna go ahead and get me one, and then I'll get you guys one too as well. But yeah, it's just a little reminder. And if you guys want to see how I go from 0 to 100, stay tuned. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with my brows. I haven't done anything. I usually do my brows, but today I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and start from 0, 0, 0, 0. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing my brows. What I'm going to be using for my brows today, it's going to be this one from Beige Cosmetics, and it's called the Flawless Brow Trio. I really don't use Anastasia anymore, just because whenever I bought it before, it does dry out. Like the clay turns into like hard mud. I don't know, it's weird. And then like I had been using Benefit Cosmetics for like the longest time. I was using like their pencils I just ran out. And then their brow one, it's kind of like a clay also. And that one, I don't know, for some reason, I think it was because of me, because I know I left it open for maybe like a night or two, and it dried out. Like, because I've never really had problems with it. But right now, this is all I have, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this for my brows. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this. It's like a little cream, and I'm gonna go ahead and define my brow with it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and trace it. So I'm not gonna go all the way to the front. I'm just gonna stop right there. And I'm gonna go ahead and fill it in with that cream as well. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm going to go ahead and highlight my brows. You guys, I did order the P. Louise base. I don't know if you guys have heard, but if you guys haven't, you guys need to go follow her. She is amazing. And she came out with her own base, and oh my god. She's from the UK, and I haven't received it. I think I ordered it like 2 weeks ago. And I'm like anxious, so I can start playing with that. It's like so good. It looks so creamy, so thick. Like it's gonna be perfect for my looks. So as soon as I get those in, I'll be doing a review on it. So I had stopped doing this lately, but I don't know, for some reason, I don't know if you guys seen, if you guys follow me on Instagram, I'm pretty sure you guys have. I've been coloring my brows like red, blue, whatever, purple. And for some reason, I've been outlining the top. I used to do it all the time back then, but then I had stopped. I would just do it like only if like I would have to go like to a quinceañera or somewhere that I knew that I was going to be sweating. But I started doing it, and I'm like, oh my god, like I've missed how much it makes my eyebrows pop out. Like, I don't know, I just love it. So that's what I've been doing lately. Okay, so as you guys can see, my ojeras are like super bad today. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some red lipstick under, just so I can cut that purpleness out. The palette that I'm gonna be using today for the look is gonna be the Anastasia one, the Modern Renaissance one. And the first color that I'm gonna take is gonna be this one. That one's in the burnt orange. That's gonna be my transitioning color. And then the second color that I'm going to use is going to be this one. It's like an orangey brown, and it's called Realhermakeup. That's going to go strictly on my crease. You kind of want to flick it out at the same time. For me, I find it easier if I start tapping first, and then after I'm done tapping, go back and blend everything. I just think that it blends out my eyeshadow a lot better. You want to just blend out those harsh lines. You don't want to take this second color all the way up to your transitioning color, just because you want to have that transitioning. And last but not least, for my third color, I'm going to go ahead and use this dark brown. And I'm taking a smaller brush just so I can define more my eye look. So you're going to take this right under the second color and just bring it over here. But you want to stay more focused on the outer corner just because you want that more depth. And you guys are going to see me going back and forth with the fluffy brush and this one. So once you have that, you want to go ahead and cut your crease, and I'm going to go ahead and cut it just a little over halfway. You kind of want to do it like oval kind of shape. And I'm taking my favorite brush that I always use to cut my crease, to highlight my brows. It's the Beige Cosmetics flat brush, and it's in the number B7. I usually set it with like some white eyeshadow, but the one that I have doesn't really work good. So I've been setting my shadows whenever I do any white look with the RCMA powder. Once you have that, you want to go ahead and take the dark brown again and just blend it. And just add it right here and start blending. Take this burgundy color, you want to add it in front of that brown that you just put on the outer corner, and just blend it with the brown. It'll give you like a really pretty effect. So I'm going to go ahead and use this eyeliner, and I'm going to go ahead and put it on top of the crease. And this one's in the shade Bronze, and it's from Wet n Wild. God damn, that shit was hard. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start with my face. Using this primer, it's from NYX Cosmetics, and it's a spraying primer. I'm not the biggest fan of it, but I bought it and I'm like, dude, might as well use it. So what I like to do, what I've been doing is I spray my face, and then I'll just go in like with the cream primer. So in this case, I'm gonna go ahead and use the CoverFX. So lately I've been using this foundation from Milani Cosmetics, and it's actually really good, and it's really inexpensive compared like to all those high-end foundations, and it works really, really good. And I'm in the shade 05 Warm Beige. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight with my LA Girl Cosmetics and the shade Yellow. For my concealer, I'm taking the Glamoflauge in the shade Medium, and my brush, the MB10 from Morphe, looks like this. The concealer brush. And this is what's gonna do the trick. It's gonna actually cover everything. To contour, I'm gonna go ahead and use the LA Girl Cosmetics one, and this one's in the shade Toast. Going back in with my yellow from LA Girl, I'll go ahead and highlight under here. Taking my M436 brush, my favorite brush to blend out my contour. I'm going to go ahead and spray it as well. Okay, so now to set my concealer, I've been doing something different and I've been loving it. I don't know, it's just been making my skin look a lot more smoother, a lot more beautiful. So what I've been doing is mixing my RCMA powder with a powder foundation. It could be any powder foundation that you prefer. The one that I'm using right now, because that's the only one I have, that I used to use like a long time ago whenever I barely started using makeup was the Marykay one, and I forgot how good it was. Like, it's really, really good. So I've been mixing those two and then just setting it. I'm gonna bake maybe for like 30 seconds. So for my blush, I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. I don't know what this palette is called. I bought it I think at TJ Maxx, or I don't remember. It was like one of those stores. I've been adding some blush right here on the side of my nose. I don't know why, but I just think it looks so pretty. And then you just bring it down and connect it. Kind of like if you're like sunburnt. You know, like whenever you're like sunburnt and you have like that reddish line, kind of just act like you have a little sunburn. I don't know, it just looks really pretty. So for my highlight, as you guys know, I've been using this a lot and I really like it. It's from the artist Couture and it's in the shade Illuminati. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of eyeliner at the bottom for my waterline. So under that eyeliner, I'm gonna go ahead and take the brown from the Anastasia palette, the dark brown, and then just add it right under. And then taking this burgundy color, I'm gonna go ahead and set that right under the brown. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some eyeliner at the top. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit of mascara, and I'm using the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. So the lashes that I'm using today are from ladylove, and you guys, like, seriously, like, I'm not being promoted or anything, like, I'm not getting no money out of this, but seriously, these lashes are super good. I have maybe like 5, maybe like 6, 7, I don't remember how many pairs I have, but you guys, like, they're so pretty. These I've used, I just put them back in the box. They're so pretty. And then this one's in the shade, oh my god, these are in the style Lush number 30. So they're super, super good and they're super affordable. If you guys want, I'll go ahead and link down their website on the description box. If you guys do decide to purchase them, I'm telling you guys, like, they're super good. Now that we have that, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. And then the lip liner that I'm using is this one from NYX. And this one's called Tea and Cookies. And the lipstick that I'm using is this one. It's in the shade ladylove. I think that's the brand, Real Her. Here's the thing, like, if you want fuller lips, what you have to do is, like, do you see, like, right here? Like, this is my lip, right? Like, my normal lip. We'll go under that, go right here, and start, you know, like, drawing the line. And then whenever you get, like, right here, midway, to, like, right here, and then you're gonna go inward. Start down here, and there you get here, go inward. Inward. Here's my normal lip, right? You want to go a little over that. Alright guys, that was the end result. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know if you guys would like my camera more up front, but I don't know, it just seems like it makes me look fatter because I already have fat cheeks, so I don't want to look fatter in camera. But let me know if you guys can't really see what I'm doing. I'm trying my best, but let me know down here. Also, don't forget to subscribe like I said at the very beginning, because my giveaway will start at 200 subscribers. And also guys, like, me, well, I guess my family and I, we have a surprise for you guys. Oh my god, like, I'm so excited. I'll probably be telling you guys, like, on my next video what the surprise is. So we're, like, super excited. We're hoping to do everything this weekend, so I'll let you guys know on my next video. I'm, like, so excited. But yeah, so this is the final look. So I hope you guys liked this 0 to 100 real quick. It was super easy. It did take a little bit of time, you know, because it was like a full face tutorial. But I don't think I had done like a full like 0, you know, like where I start with my brows and everything, like, in a while. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.